play skiing, do skiing, go skiing. Which one is correct? Hi everyone, it's Scott here from That's English School. 今回は play, do, and go の使い分けを説明します。ここから英語で喋りますので、みんな頑張って最後まで見てくださいね。できるだけわかりやすく説明しますね。Today, we're going to learn about 3 amazing verbs for talking about sports and free time activities. Play, do, and go. Let's look at play. This one is the most commonly used when talking about sport and free time activities. When do we use play? It's used for team sports and sports that use a ball. We can play tennis, play golf, play table tennis, play football. Did you know football is my favorite sport? We can also use play for sports that use a puck. We play hockey. Or for the sport that uses a shuttlecock, we play badminton. Did you know that badminton is my second favorite sport? Yeah, but unfortunately today I didn't bring a shuttlecock, just the racket. We often use the verb play when in a competition and also in other situations. We play poker. We play cards. Uno. No, Uno. Uno. Play board games. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bad. If you're enjoying this video, we have so many more on our channel. チャンネルを登録してくださいね。あとは、いいね押してください。Thank you! When do we use do? Do is often used for solo activities. The verb do is often used for non-team individual sports or sports that don't use a ball. They're also used for modern or new style sports. Do yoga. Do aerobics. Do Pilates. Do ballet. Do martial arts such as judo, karate, or kendo. We also use do for specific exercises. Do squats. Do push-ups. Do crunches. Do pull-ups. Do stretches. We also do these activities alone. We do a crossword puzzle. We do homework. Do laundry. When do we use go? Go is used for sports and activities that end in ing. You have to go to a place to do the activity. You don't do them at home. Go swimming. Go swimming, you go to the pool or the sea. Go skiing. Go skiing, you go to the mountains. Go snowboarding. Go snowboarding, you go to the mountains. Go surfing. Go surfing, you go to the beach. Go jogging. Go jogging, you go outside. Go skateboarding. Go skateboarding, you go outside or to the park. Remember, you don't need to put the word to in between. You don't say, I go to swimming. You simply say, I go swimming. Another example is shopping. You don't say, I go to shopping. You simply say, I go shopping. Some other examples are go fishing, go hiking, and go drinking. Cheers! No, I'm just joking. I didn't open it. Here are some special activities. So there are some ing activities that use the verb do instead of go. Do weightlifting. Do bodybuilding.
Bye-bye.
Do boxing. Ouch. Okay, now it's quiz time. How was the quiz? I hope now you have a better understanding of how to use play, do, and go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.